Welcome, dear student. I am B. V. Patil. My school name Uttur Vidyalaya Uttur. Today we discuss about standard 10th subject maths part 2 chapter 1st. Chapter name is linear equations in two variables. Today we discuss about equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Welcome, dear friends. Today we discuss about equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Here we solve one question. Solve the following simultaneous equations. First example, 2 divided by x minus 3 divided by y is equal to 15. And another equation, 8 divided by x plus 5 divided by y is equal to 77. In solution, these equations we write here. In solution, we write these two equations. These two equations are, is the simultaneous equation? No, these are not linear equation in two variables, that is simultaneous equations. For getting simultaneous equations, we reduce variable in simultaneous form. For that purpose, here numerator 2 into right denominator separately, tell the term. That is 1 divided by x minus numerator is 3 into, tell the denominator separately, that is 1 divided by y is equal to 15. Then another equation we convert in this form, 8 into, tell the denominator separately, that is 1 divided by x plus 5 into, tell the term, that is 1 divided by y is equal to 77. In both equations, Here, which are the common terms? As first common term is 1 upon x, and another common term is 1 upon y. That two terms are common, we substitute variables for common terms. Let first common term tell here, that is 1 upon x. For 1 upon x, we substitute variable a and tell the another common term, that is 1 upon y is equal to, we consider variable b. Therefore, these two equations convert. Here, tell the first equation after substituting 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. What we get? That is 2 into 1 upon x. In place of 1 upon x, we write a means 2 twice a, minus 3 into, in place of 1 upon y, we write b means 3b and is equal to 15. That is equation 1. Then tell the another equation, that is 8 into, in place of 1 upon x, we write a, that is 8a plus 5 into, in place of 1 upon y, we write b means 5b and is equal to 77. That is equation 2. Then multiplying equation 1 by 4, we get 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. That is equation 3. Then subtracting equation 3 from equation 2, we write equation 2 here and minus, we write equation 3. In subtraction, signs are changes. Plus 8a becomes minus, minus 12b becomes plus, and plus 60 becomes minus. In subtraction, signs are changes. Here in equation 8a, for getting 8a, for that purpose we multiply 4 to equation 1, we get 8a. 8a is the common term, and after subtracting, this 8a get cancelled. 8a minus 8a get cancelled. Then plus 5b plus 12b, signs are similar. Then addition is tail here, that is 17b is equal to 77 minus 60, tail here, subtraction, that is 17. Then 17 taking on RHS side, what we get here? Therefore On LHS side, what is the remaining term? That is B is equal to 17, and this 17 multiply after taking on RHS side, it becomes divided by this 17 multiply here divide. Therefore, B is equal to divide here. What we get answer? 17. 1 is 17. This value of B we substitute in equation 1 or 2. Substituting B is equal to 1 in equation 1, we write equation 1, that is 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. In place of B we write value. Therefore, this twice a minus 3 into value of B is 1 is equal to 15. Therefore, 3 into 1 multiplication we get here twice a minus 3 into 1, 3 1 is 3 is equal to 15. This minus 3 taking on RHS side, minus 3 becomes plus 3. Therefore, twice a is equal to 15. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. Here 15 plus 3 addition is twice a is equal to 15 plus 3 is addition 18. These two multiply here, taking on RHS side, it becomes divide. Therefore, A is equal to 18 to multiply here divide. To divide to 18 we get 2 9s are 18. Here value of A and B we get here, but that is not the solution, because in example variables are x and y. Therefore, value of A is 9. In place of A we substitute tell the value, that is value of A is 1 upon x is equal to this 9. Therefore, by invertendo x is equal to 1 divided by 9, and value of B is 1. In place of B, which value we substitute? Therefore, in place of B we write 1 divided by y is equal to 1. Therefore, by invertendo y is equal to 1. Therefore, x variable and y variable is equal to value of x is 1 upon 9 and value of y is 1, and this is the solution. In this way we solve this example. Then next example is 10 divided by x plus y plus 2 divided by x minus y is equal to 4, and another equation 15 divided by x plus y minus 5 divided by x minus y is equal to minus 2. In solution, we write these two equations. In solution, we write first equation and second equation, but these are not a linear equation in two variable because degree is -1, therefore reduce into linear equation in two variables. For that purpose, we convert this equation in numerator into denominator form. Therefore, numerator is 10 into, tell the denominator separately, that is 1 divided by x plus y plus this numerator is 2 into, tell denominator separately, that is 1 divided by x minus y and is equal to 4. And similarly, second equation also we write in this form, that is numerator is 15 into, tell denominator separately, means 1 divided by x plus y minus this numerator is 5 into, tell denominator separately, that is 1 divided by this x minus y is equal to minus 2. Tell which are the common parts in both equation, that is 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon x plus y, this is the first common term, and 1 upon x minus y, 1 upon x minus y, this is the second common term. In that common term, we write variable. Let tell the first common term, that is 1 divided by x plus y is equal to, we consider variable a, and tell the another common term, that is 1 divided by x minus y is equal to, we consider another variable, that is b. Therefore, the first equation reduce, tell that reducible form. Therefore, 10 into 1 upon x plus y, we write a means 10a plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y, we substitute b means twice b and is equal to 4. Here coefficient of a is 10, coefficient of b is 2 and constant is 4. 10, 2 and 4. For that every number, which number divisible, that is 2 divide to each number. Before that, we write second reducible equation, that is 15 into 1 upon x plus y replaced by a means 15a minus 5 into 1 upon x minus y replaced by b means 5b and is equal to minus 2. In second equation, we cannot get any divisible number because 15, 5 and 2 are the numbers. But in first equation, these three numbers 2 divide to every number. Is it here possible? Therefore, after dividing 2, we get 2 divide to 10a, we get 5a plus 2 divide here to cancel b remaining is equal to 2 divide here, we get 2 2s are 4 and reason is dividing by 2, that is equation 1, and this equation remaining we cannot get any divisible number, therefore that is equation 2. Here plus and here minus, here 5b, for getting 5b equation 1 multiply by 5 we get here 5b, here multiply by 5 we get 25a and here multiply by 5 we get plus 5b, here multiply by 5 we get 10 because multiply by 5 because 5 plus 5b minus 5b after addition that two terms are cancelled. For that purpose multiply equation 1 by 5. Multiplying equation 1 by 5 we get 25a plus 5b is equal to 10, that is equation 3. Adding equation 2 and 3, equation 2 we write here, adding therefore plus equation 3 we write here. In addition there is no any sign changes, minus 5b plus 5b get cancelled. 15a plus 25a, what we get addition, that is 40a is equal to 10 minus 2 we get 8. 40 multiply here, taking on RHS side it becomes divide, therefore a remaining is equal to 8. 40 multiply here divide, therefore a is equal to 8 divide to both number, 8 1 is 8 divided by 8 5s are 40. This value of a we substituting value of a in equation 1. Equation 1 we write here, and in that equation value of a we substitute 1 upon 5, therefore 5 into value of a is 1 divided by 5 plus b is equal to 2, therefore 5 get cancelled, 1 remaining plus b is equal to 2, therefore plus 1 becomes minus 1, therefore b is equal to 2 plus 1 becomes minus 1, therefore b is equal to subtraction 2 minus 1 is 1, but a and b are not given variables. Actual variables are x and y. Therefore, value of a and b we substitute. Value of b is 1 divided by x minus y, that is the value of b is equal to 1. Therefore, by invertendo, x minus y is equal to 1, and that is equation 4. Then value of a is equal to 1 upon 5. We consider a is equal to 1 upon 5. In place of a, which value is substitute? That is 1 divided by x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5. Here in numerator 1 similar, therefore numerator similar, therefore denominator also similar. Therefore x plus y is equal to 5. That is equation 5. Adding equation 4 and equation 5, equation 4 is x minus y is equal to 1. Adding means plus. Equation 5 we write here. Minus y plus y get cancelled. X plus x, twice x is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. Therefore, to multiply, taking on RHS side, it becomes a divide. X is equal to 6. To multiply, taking on RHS side, it becomes a divide. Divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 divided by 6, 2 divided to 6, 2 3s are 6. Value of x we substitute in equation 5. Substituting x is equal to 3 in equation 5. Equation 5 we write here. Therefore, value of x we substitute 3 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, plus 3, taking on RHS side, it becomes minus y is equal to 5. Plus 3 becomes minus 3. Therefore, subtraction 5 minus 3 is 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Therefore, in example, x and y are given, and that is the solution. Therefore, x, y is equal to value of x is 3 and value of y is 2. 3, 2 is the solution. In this way, we solve examples. Today we discuss about reducible equations, reducible into linear equation in two variables. Thank you.
Dear student, you like my video, then please give like to video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon. Thank you.